Welcome to Live Geekz YouTube channel. Here I'm back again with another video. Today let's talk about some cool features of Android 10 and One UI 2.0. Android 10 has been released for Note 10, Note 10 Plus, S10, S10 Plus and for some other smartphones as well. I have already updated my Note 10 device with Android 10 which comes with One UI 2.0. So if you haven't updated your device yet, go check in the update section and update it today and experience the new Android 10 and One UI 2.0. Talking about the new update of One UI 2.0. Now we got cool and slow, smooth animations when we launch our applications, unlike in the One UI 1.5 version. Not only when talking about applications, but also when you talk about the folders, here also we got cool animations. And now you can have a live preview of the edits you do in the folder itself. So it's easy to customize your folders as you wish. Talking about the new dark mode, which we usually talked as the night mode, has now replaced with the word dark mode. It's basically the night mode where with the One UI 2.0, Samsung introduced it as the dark mode. Now even the dark mode has been enhanced than the previous version. Obviously you guys know we can turn on the dark mode and also we can schedule as the sunset or the sunrise and for a custom schedule as well. When you turn on the night mode or the dark mode, the wallpaper gets darkened and even the widgets turn out into a dark mode, which is much more better and much more enhanced than the previous versions. If you are using developer mode, I have already turned on developer mode. If you haven't turned on developer mode, go to the about phone section, software information, and you need to click on the build number 7 times. Then they're gonna ask you a pin code or the pattern you have put into your phone. Just give it and then you can get the developer options page where you can go to force dark mode. Once you turned on force dark mode, the apps which do not support dark mode on their own will also turn into a dark mode. For example, Facebook, Twitter and those stuff, some of the apps which do not come with the inbuilt dark mode will also turn into dark mode. So that's another feature. If you guys are interested, yes, of course you can go there and turn on the dark mode. And the one of the biggest updates which came with Android 10 is the navigations. So going into settings, display and navigation bar. Here we got full screen gestures. When you turn on full screen gestures, now we got 2 options. First of all, I'm gonna turn on the gesture hints. It would be easy for you guys. Going to gestures, we had sweep from bottom. Now with the Android 10, we have sweep from sides and bottom. You can go back by just sweeping from the sides. You can go back by just sweeping from the sides. The special thing is when you turn on gesture hints, you can easily sweep between the apps. If you haven't turned on gesture hints, you won't get this opportunity. That's about navigations. I think you guys are good to go with the navigations as you like. And once again, we have a cool update when we go to the display and the edge screen. Now being edge lighting, we got some cool new effects. Yeah, hearts, fireworks, eclipse, echo. These are some of the cool stuff. Spotlight, which came with Android 10 update. Even now I'm using one of the new stuff, Spotlight, and it's cool. Go check it out. It's amazing. So coming back to the wallpaper, you can get a guide screen. Obviously you can have a preview of the lock screen as well as of the home screen. You just go into wallpaper services. Now you can have the dynamic lock screen. You guys know that you can go to dynamic lock screen and select a category where you can have multiple wallpapers which are gonna change from time to time and the lock screen. And obviously when you go to the wallpaper services, you can also turn off the guide page that we saw before. I'm good to go with the guide page, and here you are. Yes, of course you can change the wallpapers and have a live preview. Now you got additional conversions in the calculator, that's speed and time, which we didn't have earlier. Now with these versions we got speed and time. And going back, one of the most important thing for a user, not for me though, that's gonna be the camera. With One UI 2.0, we got a new camera interface which has been so far good. It has made the stuff much more easier because you can have a selected number of categories here which you're gonna use most oftenly, and the rest in the more section. This, of course, if you need to add more, you just need to go to this section, drag them down, save, of course, here. And with the nav camera update, you got slow motion and super slow motion in the front camera as well. That's about the camera. When we go to the device care section, now we got a cool looking UI. It's so cool. You can get everything here. Get a better idea of your battery usage, storage usage, memory usage, and everything. It's super cool. So this is just a demonstration, so let you guys see how it's gonna look like. That's it. And going back with the digital well-being, one of the most important thing for the users in a while, because now most of the people are addicted to their smartphones. Here, even me, the same thing, but still going in this digital well-being, you can have an idea of the time you used an app with a better UI, with One UI 2.0, how much time you use the app, and likewise. Here, now you got a focus mode. Once you turn on the focus mode, you will be able to use only the apps that you allowed in the focus mode. If you want to deactivate the focus mode, you just need to go to the navigation and turn off the focus mode. Updated with the new update, go to the tips and tricks app and you can find it out. These are the one of the best features that I saw. And the thing is, now if you are playing a game or doing some other work, if you are getting a call, if you are having an incoming call, you can get a small notification. Yeah, it's even looking much cooler than before. Just go try it out, update your phone today and get used to it. Thank you for being with Live Geekz and hope to see you again with another cool video. See ya.